India's coastline and strategic location make it central to global maritime trade, handling over 90% of our cargo volume. The sector is a cornerstone of economic growth, guided by Maritime India Vision 2030 and Amrit Kal Vision 2047. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, a maritime renaissance is underway to make India a major shipbuilding nation.
अब हम देश भर में शिप बिल्डिंग के लिए व्यापक कदम उठा रहे हैं। शिप बिल्डिंग इंडस्ट्री को उद्योगों की जननी कहा जाता है, क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ एक जहाज ही नहीं बनता, उसके साथ जो उद्योग जुड़े होते हैं उनका विस्तार होता है। चीप हो या शिप, हमें भारत में ही बनाने होंगे।
Government of India has launched a shipbuilding reform package of about 70,000 crore rupees, which focuses on 4 strategic pillars: financial support, long-term financing, infrastructure modernization, and policy reforms. These reforms are expected to unlock 4.5 million gross tonnage shipbuilding output per annum,
attract 4.5 lakh crore rupees investment, and generate 3 million jobs, positioning India as a global shipbuilding powerhouse. Global confidence is surging, reflected in recent landmark partnerships. CMA CGM ordering vessels from Cochin Shipyard. HD Queso and Cochin Shipyard launching ship block fabrication facility in Kochi. Cochin Shipyard and DP World developing offshore fabrication and ship repair clusters. Swan DHI and Samsung Heavy Industries collaborating. Acquisition of Colombo Dockyard by Mazgaon Dock. Today, the Honorable Prime Minister dedicates a suite of transformative initiatives to the nation.
Shipping Corporation of India, expansion of fleet to 216 vessels by 2047. Launch of India's own Bharat Container Shipping Line with 51 container vessels. Oil and gas vessel orders worth 47